Hello everyone! In this short video, we'll take a look at the process of importing a CineCast credits roll into an Adobe Premiere Pro project. Okay, here we have a 1920 by 1080p 59.94 project with some background footage on track V1. To import our credits roll, double-click in the project panel. Open the folder containing the CineCast credits roll and select the first file in the TIFF image sequence. Ensure that image sequence is checked and click Open. Now right-click on the image sequence and select Modify, Interpret Footage and set it to 59.94 frames per second. Finally, we'll drop our credits roll sequence onto track V2. And there we are. Our credits roll is now superimposed over our background footage.